So we have with us the senior leadership of Zavenir Daubert with us at IMTEX 2025, and we're going to ask him about some of the new products, new initiatives that they have launched this year. Firstly, what's new in the market this year, sir?
So I think the Indian industry is going towards innovation. So we are thinking of launching some very nice, innovative and sustainable products for India market. One is we are launching X-Cut series, which is polymer technology from neat oil perspective and nano molecular technology for water solubles. And they are best for the environment and for processes. And we are also launching new water-based rust preventives and also recycled PMG VCI films. So overall, it's a complete CCPP, which we call, cut, clean, protect, and pack package for Indian industry.
Right. If you can talk about some opportunities, some new markets that you would be tapping in the next financial year.
So if you look at the market, India market is growing rapidly, and expected growth is 7% plus for the segments that we play in. As of now, we are dominant in auto components, but we are seeing construction, we are seeing mining, and we are seeing steel industry also expected to grow. So you will see our team and our experts and our products applicable for these segments as well very soon.
So if you can talk about some growth numbers, so what is the kind of growth that you're anticipating for the Indian markets? Any new products, any new initiatives in the pipeline for the Indian markets that you want to share?
So as I said, one is India market is growing, and we want to be part of that growth story. We are looking at India, kind of becoming a China plus strategy for most of the automobile manufacturer outside of India. So we are working heavily towards not only helping Indian organizations to grow their customer base outside of India, but also looking at a new plant which we are inaugurating soon. It's based on haptic technology. I would say it has AMR technology and a lot of other innovation, which is first not in the manufacturing sector, but also in the Indian market. So overall, we expect to be growing, I would say, high double digits, and I know that we are ready for that, and Indian market is ready to accept these innovative new sustainable products. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for talking to us.
So my name is Vikas Kapur. I am the Chief Business Officer for Zavenir Daubert. We've been pioneers in rust preventive market for the last 30 years. And once we realized that when we do only rust preventives, there are a lot of other things which are unknown and impacting the output of our product and performance of our products. So expanded into the cutting and cleaning as well. So we are here to provide the complete, I would say, shop floor machining solutions to automobile and auto component manufacturing industry with our cut, clean, protect, and pack offerings. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.